If you are looking for an easy job that
कैसे
you can
बनाते
do
हैं वो
from
सिखाता
home,
हूँ।
where you're not required to have any kind of particular qualification or experience, and if you are an introvert and looking for non-voice text-only job, here's a great opportunity for you. If you are interested in data entry kind of job and wish to work remotely from home, here is a great opportunity with an international BPO to work from home as a data entry agent. This is 100% remote position and can work from home or anywhere. Here the company has not asked for much of the experience. However, experience in an outbound or inbound call center, inside sales experience or related sales or customer service experience is a plus. If you already have some experience with call centers or to work in a BPO or have some sales experience, you will be a preferred candidate. And here you should be able to work independently and you should have supportive work from home setup. You should be able to work independently and have a supportive work from home setup and stable internet connection. As a data entry agent, you will be responsible for reviewing and completing enrichment tasks as defined and trained by the client. Your primary work will be application data entry, vendor resource verification, board certifications, and following up with various state boards for statuses. And you will be responsible for timely and quality execution of tasks. So this is a simple data entry position, and here you're not required to have a lot of experience. This is a full-time 100% remote position that you can work from home. This is an entry-level position, so if you are a fresher or experienced, you can apply for this job. A chat support job where you're not required to have any kind of previous experience or particular qualification. All what you want is a working computer or laptop and stable internet connection to start working from anywhere. And this is a global opportunity, so you can work from any part of the world. Here, the company's name is Cloudworkers. The company, it is basically a chat moderation company. The company provides chat moderators based around the world with the opportunity to earn a reliable income and grow. And here are the job benefits to work as a chat moderator with Cloudworkers. So here, okay, you can work from home or anywhere and you can work whenever you want because this is a freelance kind of opportunity and here you're not required to have any particular set schedule. So you can create your own schedule. You can work at your own pace. You can work at your own hours. And here you are only required to have a computer or a laptop and a stable internet connection and a competent language skills. So here, the company guarantees you a regular income, long-term employment, and opportunities for professional growth and advancement. Here is the job description. This is basically a non-phone. Here, you will be required to do text-based chatting or text-based communication with the customers. So basically, the chat moderators will be engaged in text-based online chats in one or more online social community platforms. And basically, the chat moderator's objective is to animate those communities and stimulate conversations and thereby cultivate long-lasting relationships with the customers. And chat moderator's job is to basically build a rapport and develop lasting relationships with customers by chat moderators working with cloud workers are provided with flexible, exciting, and uncomplicated opportunities to utilize their language skills and earn a reliable monthly income as an independent freelance moderator with positions available either on a part-time or full-time basis. So here you can work either full-time or part-time. To start working as chat moderators, you need to simply log in online via their chat interface anywhere in the world and instantly communicate with their customers. As a chat moderator at Cloudworkers, uh, you will be required to decide you will be required to decide your own working hours. If you have some experience as a chat moderator, you will be preferred. However, it is not mandatory. If you don't have any kind of previous experience, you can still apply for this job and you can start working. Both experienced moderators and those with less experiences are comprehensively trained by the team leaders and a team of coaches. The company expects from you to have a PC or a laptop with a stable internet connection, competent spelling and grammar skill, the ability and willingness to work just 12 hours per week, and to be at least 18 years old. What you can expect from us, so here fast and reliable payment on a monthly basis, and independent planning of working hours, regular training and performance feedback to aid your professional development, salary that is above average and performance oriented. This is a chat operator role required to have any kind of specific qualification or job experience. You will not be required to use your voice or your phone. You will only be required to type text. This is an easy to do job. Okay, the company has written that become a chat operator and work from anywhere. So this is a flexible kind of opportunity. It depends on you when and how much would you like to work. Now, here it is written that do you like to write and are you self-employed? Then you are the person we are looking for. So if you're someone who likes to type text and chat with people and sending text, the company will be providing you training, online training. And once your application has been approved and you have been verified, you will need to complete the relevant training before you are ready to start. So this is a very simple kind of opportunity where you will not be required to like pass any kind of particular test or anything. You will just be required to fill up the application form and send your ID for verification purpose. So the people who used to work as a chat operator, they used to write online text messages. So here as a chat operator, your role will be to answer them and make conversation. So here you will be chatting with the people living in America. So who are already like lonely, they're not having anyone to talk with and they are very lonely. So what they do, they and these kind of people used to create their profiles and they used to send messages on the platform, and the people available who is working as a chat operator on the platform, they used to reply to those messages. And as a chat agent you will be 100% anonymous, so your ID and your name will not be shared with anyone, and you will only be required to send text reply and no video, no voice. You can earn more depending on how often you work, and you can help those who need someone to talk to. You might be aware that in America there are so many people who are living alone and they're not having anyone to talk with. They're not having anyone to converse, to have a conversation. So these people are basically looking for someone to talk with. As a chat operator, you will work as an independent contractor and therefore have full freedom and flexibility to work as much or as little as you want. And you can also work from wherever you want. The only required thing is that you must have a PC or a laptop and a stable internet connection so that you can start working uninterruptedly. So the company used to provide basic salary based on how many messages you reply to. So it is hard to say exactly how much the salary will be, but for a chat operator who works around like 4 to 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, can easily earn between $100 to $300 weekly. So it can come around like at least $1,200 per month. And some of the top agents make more than 3,000 a month. So it is totally flexible that how much can you earn. So the company used to provide weekly payments in euro, because you should be well versed in English language, because everything like everything that you will be writing, or the text you will be writing, will be in English, of course. And because you will be chatting with the people living in America, and here your age should be 18 years and above. At least 18 years should be required. And if you are an introvert and looking for a non-voice text only job, and this is an easy to do kind of job, so you can start working on the platform and earn around like $1,000 to $1,200 at least in a month. So thank you for listening.